This is a job where we had a customer that needed some ventilation in their building because there wasn't enough fresh air and they were always running negative pressure. You can see the drum louvers and the openings in the roof. And there's the roof curbs with the filtered boxes on the end. And we're getting ready to show you how we set the units on the roof. Very large air conditioning ventilation units. And you can see they're filtered. There's the makeup air units. That's 100% makeup air with gas fired to temper the air, not to heat the building, but to temper the air. Here's a helicopter we use. One of the reasons why we had to use a helicopter is because a crane would have had to move around the building and been very expensive, and we'd have spent all day. By having this helicopter come flying, we probably spent less than 30 minutes setting the units on the roof, where we'd been there all day. Here the guys are setting up and making sure everything's latched on, and the guys walking around making sure all the harnesses are hooked on correctly. The helicopter's beginning to lift. As you can see, it's coming up to the roof. The 4 guys you see in the bright green are our employees, and the guy in the beige shirt is the radio controller, and he talks directly with the helicopter pilot to set up and have the piece of equipment. By the way, this piece of equipment is probably in the 3,800 pound range, so it's very heavy, and we want to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Here they are getting ready to line it up. Here it is, the helicopter's coming down, and they're twisting the unit around to match it up to the openings on the roof. They set it down. You can see it's nice and level. The biggest problem was that they were always running negative, and they were always having to run open doors and garage doors. Now that they have these systems pressurized, they can control their ventilation, build a certain pressure in the building, and reduce their energy consumption costs and bring in clean air. It's virtually eliminated their contamination problems they were having.